Hi guys, this is MH Leisure Peppa Pig Campervan kiddie rides. Although this used to be called Northern Leisure, but not anymore. Yeah, why don't we get this camera for it? We'll just listen to the track mode if it has one. I'm gonna be filming this again with 3 rides. While we're waiting, why don't we do like this? So I'm ready. I hope it does have one. I'm just waiting for it. I really think that they should bring the coin slot back on these rides. Because by using credit cards is a bit ridiculous, actually. George, Peppa, sorry to bother you, but when is your track mode? Just want to know. Any ideas, Mummy Pig? She probably doesn't have a clue. Yeah, I will. If this ever wakes up. There we go. Oh! Some of those should be bypassed. Okay. Peppa Pig MH Leisure in 2024 or 2023. I'd like to ask the beggar Davis anyone entertainment. It's some other should be bypassed now. I didn't know that happen. It just started on its own for some reason. Let's see if I can try to tap it again. See what will happen. See if it's gonna let me. So I'm just a bit curious. And of course these three buttons over there don't even work. There we go. I'll never let you down, guys. I'll just do it with 3 rides. Yeah, there's Peppa and George there. There's a fire engine over there. It's not about other versions I've actually bypassed for some reason. I didn't expect that to happen. The blue button only works. Second ride. Yeah, there's no stop bar devotion, apparently. It just starts on its own, apparently. This needs to get replaced soon. Hopefully. I'm not the biggest fan of this ride, to be fair. I'll just film anyway. This is an update film. Don't know why these 3 buttons don't work anymore. Get a spider over there. I'm not gonna film that. Because I hate that ride. Because the V2 is so common. So lights. They work really well. There's Case of Copper over there. I might film that. The noise a bit loud. There's Daddy Pig over there. See Peppa and George. Last rides. Yeah, this one's quite wobbly for some reason. See? I don't know why it's doing that. You see Peppa and George. Mummy Pig. This is the back of it. It's the back of the ride. Let's get on the ride. Why not, actually? It's not in a good condition. See, these 3 buttons don't even work for some reason. This is in quite bad condition. Not what I expected, really. Like, it starts on its own, and the 3 buttons don't even work. This is not a good condition. It starts with no start button activation. What about no? It's got a yellow button. I don't know why. I blame Rod for this.
Come back and have another ride soon.
And I was a Peppa Campervan kiddie ride. And it starts with no start button activation.